Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. We got a nice quick one here for you today. We are going to look at calculating the measure of each interior angle of any regular polygon. We actually looked at this a little bit in the last lesson as well, so that will help us be a little bit quicker here. And then we're also going to calculate the sum of the measures of all the exterior angles of a polygon. So now, when we look at our equal angular polygon conjecture, okay, we built this in the last lesson as well. If we want to find out how much each angle is, we find the sum of all of the angles and then just divide by how many angles there are. So let's test this out with our regular hexagon here. Hexagon, six-sided, minus 2 times 180 divided by the 6 sides or 6 angles of the shape. And when we do that, we get 120 degrees for each one of those angle measures. So now let's take that interior idea of the regular hexagon and find the exterior angle sum for a regular hexagon. So if all of these interior angles are 120, we know that their linear pair has to add up to 180. So each one of these exterior angles is 60. So for the regular hexagon, we have 6 exterior angles, all 60 degrees each. And if we multiply that out, we get 360 for a total. Now, let's take a look at the regular pentagon. First, we need to find all of our interior angle measures. Okay, 5 sides minus 2 times 180. Okay, divide by 5, and we find out that each of those interior angle measures is 108. So we have 5 108 degree angle measures on the inside. We've got our linear pair on the outside, which would be 72 for each. Okay, so then we need to multiply that out. We have 5 times 72, okay, and that equals 360. So the good news, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of the polygon always add up to 360. Okay, and it makes sense. As we get more sides, the interior angles get bigger, the exterior angles get smaller. Since we're looking at linear pairs, it has to be a consistent process overall. Okay, so now let's look at this example. We have our exterior angle sum conjecture. So for any polygon, it doesn't have to be a regular polygon, but it can be. And that's the best case scenario. But for any polygon, the sum of the measures of a set of exterior angles is always 360. So if we have a sum of 360, each exterior angle in this case is 36. We know that 36 degrees times n exterior angles has to equal 360. And then we just divide by 36. And we find out that this is a 10-sided shape. Okay, and that concludes our lesson for today, just looking at exterior angles of regular and irregular polygons. Thank you and have a good day.